How to remove audio from iPhone iCloud video. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari web browser on your phone. Here, go to the search bar and navigate to iCloud.com. Once logged in, open the Photos app as shown to view your media library. Find and tap on the video you wish to download. On the video screen, tap on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select the download option. A pop-up will ask for confirmation. Tap on Download to begin the process. You can monitor the progress from your browser's download section, as shown. Once the download is complete, tap on the video. Then, tap on the share icon in the bottom right corner and select Saved Videos from the pop-up menu. Now, open the Photos app. Find the video you just saved and tap on it. Then, tap on the Edit icon below. In the editing interface, tap the speaker icon at the top left corner to mute the audio. After that, tap on Done as shown. As you can see, the muted speaker icon is shown when the video is played. Following these steps, you can easily remove audio from an iPhone iCloud video.